What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is the Hustlers Apprentice channel, and I am your host, JR. And if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button along with the bell. That way you receive all of the notifications for all of my future videos. So with that being said, let's jump right into it. Today, I'm going to be talking about Credit One. And if you guys don't know about Credit One is one of the easiest unsecured credit cards that you can get, bar none. Definitely easy. The unique thing about them is that when you apply, if you don't already receive a pre-qualification or pre-approval in the mail or through the internet, because a lot of times you can see them if you have a credit monitoring service where it pops up as a suggested card, is that when you do apply online, it's a soft pull. It does not affect your credit. So by all means, go for it. It's not going to hurt you. And if you want to know what information to put in on the application to make sure that you pass the algorithm, please check out my previous videos. My first 3 videos, I go into detail about it. But anyway, with that being said, Credit One Bank has a very low threshold as far as what your credit score should be. I think they allow you down. I think there's people been in the 400s have gotten it. But I think usually the rule of thumb is around 550, definitely 600. You'll get approved, no problem. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and you can actually get approved right off the bat with no annual fee, which is what I did. You know, I got approved for both of mine with no annual fee. And for those of you who don't know, I got 2 platinums. One is a MasterCard and one is a Visa. The one on top here, as you can see, is a Visa, and this is the MasterCard. So as of now, today, and I'm going to go to the website here shortly, they no longer have MasterCards, but I guess I still have mine for whatever reason. So I'll show you guys all the cards, so on and so forth. So as far as the limits they start out with, I think I've seen as low as someone starting out with like 150 or 200 bucks. If I'm not mistaken, because I've helped some of my clients actually get these cards as well. 150 or 200, but you know, you could get an annual fee. You may not get an annual fee. It just depends on what your credit score is when you apply. So don't quote me on that. I'll get into those as well. So like I said, I have the Visa Platinum Rewards and I have the MasterCard Platinum Rewards. They both have no annual fee. As of today, I have a $1,050 limit on the Visa, and I have a $1,000 limit on the MasterCard. I think I started out at 300. They do raise your limits up periodically, and sometimes if they offer you one, they do charge, which kind of sucks. It's like 12 bucks, I think, was what I paid. But I think over time, if you don't do anything, they just automatically upgrade it, if I'm not mistaken. So that's how that goes. These cards, like I said, it's for those of you who are looking to build your credit. I wouldn't say to just go out and apply for one. It's strictly for building credit. If once you get it, I would just hold on to it. If you don't have an annual fee, if you have an annual fee, once you get bigger and better cards, I'll go ahead and cancel it out because you no longer need it at that point. So with that being said, let's get right on over to the website. That way I can show you guys the application process and some more features. All right, guys. So here we are on the home page for Credit One Bank. As you can see, this gives you a brief overview of what they have to offer. There's a few more cards, but you can see the basics. This American Express here is invitation only, from my understanding. I wish I could get it. It's neither here nor there. So you got the Platinum Visa, you got the Platinum Preferred Card Member, and you got the NASCAR right here. So anyway, before we get to the application, let's just check out their cards. So as I said before, this is their joint card with American Express, unlimited 1% cash back on all purchases. It's pretty cool. So the others is 7 of 7. Credit One Platinum Preferred Card. Like I was saying previously, the annual fee can be between, nothing to $99, 1% cash back. regular reviews for credit line increases. Then you got the Platinum Rewards Visa. This one does have an annual fee. It is 5% cashback rewards on the first 5,000 of eligible purchases, unlimited 1% cashback rewards on all other purchases, and you automatically get up to 10% more cashback rewards from participating merchants, which they have that here online on their site. You can check it out. I've already covered the American Express. Their annual fee is $39, average to excellent credit. And like I said, I didn't think that you could pre-qualify for it. I thought it was invitation only, but they may have changed it. Looks like it's got pretty good ratings based off of this here. So anyway, Platinum Rewards Visa with no annual fee. So I have two. I have the MasterCard and the Visa form of this one. As you can see, there are no MasterCards on here. So it's the 2% cashback rewards, no annual fee, automatically get up to 10% more cashback rewards from participating merchants. Platinum Visa, this is the annual fee. It's pretty much the same as this previous one, except it's 1% free online access to your Experian credit score. Doesn't tell you the exact one. I don't think they give you your FICO 8 though. Then you have your NASCAR here, 1% cash back, 2% cash back at the NASCAR shop, and exclusive offers from, NASCAR participating merchants. That could be anywhere from $0 to $99 as well. Then they have this special one here, the Vegas Golden Knights credit card, 1% cash back rewards on eligible purchases, so on and so forth. Stunning Vegas-born designs for showing off your team pride, and more exclusive stuff related to that one. And that one is, $0 to $99 as well. It could be anywhere between those. So let's just shoot back to the home page. So like I said, it's pretty streamlined. You can either plug it in right here to see if you if you've already opted in. You guys can watch my previous video, which I recommend you opt in if you haven't already, just so shouldn't have any issues with going through. It'll tell you a lot of times if you haven't opted in as far as the pre-qualification process. And that's what you need to know with a lot of these cards you're applying for. They are sometimes unable to pre-qualify you because you're not opted in. So they ask you your basic information here, just like any other application: email address, name, phone number, social, date of birth, total monthly income. This is your monthly, not yearly. So put in your monthly. So if you watch my previous videos, like my first few videos, I go into detail on what you should be putting on there. So once you go to see card offers, it'll tell you whether you were pre-qualified or not. It doesn't affect your score, which is good. And it'll kind of tell you what bureau they pulled from, which I think sometimes they could pull either TransUnion. They could pull any of the three. I think this is one of those sites. If you guys have more information on that, I went to look up mine, but obviously it's been well over 2 years, so it's no longer on there on my credit report. So it could be any of the three, and it'll tell you once you do the application for and it's a soft pull, it'll tell you the credit score and what bureau that they did use. So at least next time, if you don't get approved, you'll know what it is that they're going to be going for. If you are approved, it will tell you your credit limit. It may also say something about verifying your identity, but sometimes they'll just send the card anyway, and you can use it from then on. In terms of their customer service, and before I skip to that, you can accept if you got something in the mail, saying that you were pre-qualified, just go ahead and click on that and put in the code. But in terms of their customer service, they don't have the best customer service. It's hard to get a hold of someone, and the system isn't very intuitive at all. So just be wary of that in terms of getting in contact with someone. Same thing with, requesting a credit limit increase. I believe you can call in and do that, but it's mostly automated. So just wanted you guys to be aware of that. All in all, my thoughts, I think that this is one of the easiest cards to get. My clients who are just starting building their credit, I always refer them here because it's a soft pull. You have a chance to get based upon your credit. You have a chance to actually have no annual fee, as opposed to some of these other cards, which is definitely a plus. But like I said, you can always cancel, and sometimes they may counter offer when you go to terminate it. They may give you a counter offer saying that they will remove it, and that a lot of cards will do that also. So just so you guys are aware of that. So with that being said, if you guys, find this video of benefit, I invite you to hit that like button. It helps to promote the video as well. Also, I invite you guys to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this. Also hit the bell if you do. That way you receive all the notifications for all of my future videos. And share this video if you feel like it'll be a benefit to someone. If you have a Credit One banker card, let me know your thoughts below in the comments. If you aren't sure where you are as far as your credit and you're trying to improve it and you would like to get a consultation with me to go over your credit report with you, the link to my Calendly is in the description. Make sure you guys book an appointment. We can get you squared away. And with that being said, check out one of these videos that'll pop up on the screen related to this topic. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. So peace, and I'm out of here.